Hello everyone, Dr. Kimball here. I am bringing you another edition of Spine 101. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how physical therapy plays an important role in prevention of spine injuries, recovery from spine injuries, and really how it plays into your overall life health and spine health. So I'm a neurosurgeon. I'm not a physical therapist. I'm going to just put that out there. I do not walk patients through on a day-to-day basis how to exercise their spine and how to keep things healthy. That is not what I do. I work with patients and physical therapists very closely to design physical therapy approaches to pre-surgery, post-surgery, or just to keep people out of surgery. So one thing that I'm going to talk to you a little bit about is really what happens when you age and as you just, not even just age, but as you just get busy with your life. This may sound really silly to you, but you were younger and you didn't have any back problems, but you were healthy, you were active, you were moving. What was different about you then than right now? Well, your spine was a lot younger, you probably weighed a lot less, you were moving your spine a lot more on a daily basis, on a regular basis, you were activating the muscles in your core and your low back on a regular basis. As we have families, get jobs, go to school, take on more responsibilities, we tend to neglect our spine. We tend to neglect our overall health, that's obvious. But our spine takes a major toll because now, where we were running around or walking and moving a lot, now we find ourselves possibly sitting in front of a computer all day, slouching, and just doing less. And then when we get home from a hard day of work, the last thing you may want to do is go on a jog or go exercise because you're exhausted, you're stressed, you're looking for, ways to cope and relax, and it's just not a priority. But as you neglect your spine, it can become a problem. It can cause you pain, it can cause you nerve pain, and it can really cause even more stress on your life and start to alter what's most important in your life. So here I am chirping at you, telling you, hey, you really need to recenter and focus on keeping your back healthy, otherwise it's gonna come back and bite you. So what can you do to keep your spine healthy? Now I'm gonna remind you that if you've watched some of the other videos, you're already learning that the disc is a unique functional unit in the spine. That's usually what falls apart. That's what wears out over time naturally. Now you can help prevent that, but it doesn't heal the way other parts of your body heal. It doesn't have a blood supply, so you have to keep it moving. You have to keep your spine in motion. You have to keep your spine flexible. Otherwise, your body is going to continue to degenerate and it's going to lose motion and it's going to create more opportunities for your spine to develop pain and cause you more problems. So when your spine starts to degenerate, as it will with age, and as it will with repetitive motion, and as it will with weight gain, you need to do something to support your spine. And the best solution is to strengthen the soft tissues around your spine. This isn't a one-time fix though. This is something you have to work on and have to do on a weekly basis. It really has to become a routine of your life. Now, if you neglect it for a week, are you going to be okay? Yeah, but it really is, how do you make your spine health a key component to just your overall life health and life plan? So developing that plan, you may need a physical therapist to show you some routines, some exercises to maintain and develop core strength and in your low back. We can't go back in time and regrow your spine. We don't have the regenerative medicine technology or science available to inject a stem cell into your spine and just delete 20 years of gravity effect on your life. We can't do that, but what we can do is try to make use of the body that you do have and protect your spine from other problems. Hope that's helpful.